Everyone, hello, I'm Bindu and I live in Bahrain. I did this sound therapy, Himalayan sound bowl therapy course with Mr. Mohan, and it was a beautiful experience because we got introduced to how sound can heal us.
Great.
Mr. Mohan, very informative,
Thank you.
and he has imparted things that from his own experience that he has experienced, he has given us such knowledge. So it was a 2-day course in which really we were introduced to many things, new things, which we hadn't known about earlier.
Great.
So we're very grateful. I am very grateful to Mr. Mohan for this opportunity that he gives.
मजा आ गया. मजा आ गया. Yes, let's say मजा आ गया. मजा आ गया. मजा आ गया. मजा आ गया.
मेरा नाम अनुपमा है और मैं एक एस्ट्रोलॉजर, साउंड हीलर और नेचुरल थेरेपिस्ट हूँ। और मैंने साउंड हीलिंग जो है वो मोहन सर से सीखी थी और इनका सिखाने का तरीका इतना बढ़िया है कि मतलब जिनको नहीं भी आता ना वो भी बिल्कुल इजीली सीख सकते हैं। और मतलब साउंड हीलिंग सीख करना इतना मतलब मैं बता नहीं सकती, इतना अच्छा लगता है कि हमारे पूरा सोचने का नजरिया, हमारा मेंटली, फिजिकली, इमोशनली हम पूरा ना चेंज हो जाते हैं। हमारे जो 7 चक्रास हैं उनको हम बड़ी इजीली तरीके से हील कर सकते हैं।
मजा आ गया.
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 Maza. Name is Amrit Lamba, and I have been doing healing for the past few years. I do Reiki, I do EFT, Theta healing, and access bars. And I have been fortunate to be introduced to a new healing modality called the singing bowls or sound therapy by Sir Mohan, and it was a 2-day extensive workshop, and he explained a lot about sound therapy and the healing benefits of the singing bowls. And already I have been able to use this new modality for 3 of my clients within the past week of learning, and I've had amazing results. My clients have absolutely loved how this therapy made them feel, and it's very relaxing, very therapeutic, and very nurturing to the body. The sounds and the vibrations of these singing bowls are actually a treat for anyone. And so I want to thank Sir, Mr. Mohan, and that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.